Welcome to mathematics tutorial today. In our lesson today, we want to solve this circle geometry question we have on the board. So we are given that O is the center of this circle. This is the center. And then we are asked to find AD. Okay, we are given ADC to be 76. ADC is 76. Then we are asked to find the reflex of AOC. This is AOC. The reflex is the angle behind. The one inside there is the obtuse. This is the reflex. And also we are looking for ABC, the angle at this position, ABC. So we can easily find this one first. And then how do we do that? Remember that the angle at the center of a circle is twice the angle at the circumference. So this obtuse angle, we can get this obtuse angle. From there, we get the reflex angle. So we can say that the obtuse angle, AOC, the obtuse, that is the angle inside there, is equal to 2 times the angle at this position, 76. That is one of the laws of circle. Then when you multiply, you obtain 152 degrees. So here is 152 degrees. Now you observe that this is the center of the circle. So the total angle at this center is 360 degrees. Having gotten from here to here, subtract it from 360 to get from here down to this place. So we're going to say that the reflex of AOC, which is the angle we are looking for, will be gotten when we say 360 minus 152 degrees. Then when we subtract, we have 208 degrees. So the reflex angle here, this angle is 208 degrees. Then let's solve the second one, ABC. That is the angle here. There are two ways we can do this. Either we use the same rule, angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, or we use cyclic quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral. So the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. That is, you add the angle here and the angle here to have 180 degrees. So let's call this x. If I have x plus 76 equals 180, then we find x. X will become 180 minus 76. If I subtract here, I should obtain x as 104 degrees. So the angle at this position is 104. All right. Thank you so much for paying attention. Please like the video, share to your friends, and follow for interesting tutorials. Bye.